America, the land of burgers, fries, and no home cooking? People say Americans don't even know how to cook, that they survive on fast food and microwave meals. But is this really true, or just another internet myth? Let's find out in today's episode of Fact versus Fiction, Reality Check. The world has made up its mind. Americans are lazy eaters. They eat McDonald's every day. They don't even own stoves. In movies and on social media, we see them grabbing takeout, eating pizza for breakfast, and drinking soda like water. Even international YouTubers joke about how Americans can't cook. But where did this myth start? Blame it on Hollywood, maybe, or the rise of fast food culture. But now it's time to check. Is it just fiction, or is there some truth hiding in plain sight? Let's break this down with real facts. Recent surveys show that 82% of American adults cook at home at least 4 times a week. That's right, the majority of Americans still use their stoves. A report by Harvard Business Review shows that during and after the pandemic, home cooking increased dramatically. Many Americans started meal prepping, baking bread, and even growing herbs in their kitchens. Not everyone is eating fries, some are making grilled salmon and quinoa. Meal delivery kits became popular, not because people are lazy, but because they want to cook but need it to be convenient. It's not that Americans don't cook, they just cook differently now. Also, America is a land of immigrants. From tacos to biryani, stir-fry to spaghetti, American kitchens are full of flavor, spice, and tradition. Many families pass down recipes just like anywhere else. But let's be real. Fast food culture does exist in America. It's fast, cheap, and everywhere. Many Americans work long hours and don't have time to cook daily. That's why drive-thrus and food delivery apps are so successful. For students, singles, or those with hectic schedules, it's easier to grab food on the go. But this doesn't mean they never cook. It means cooking is just part of a more flexible routine. So here's the final verdict. Fiction: all Americans eat out daily. Fact: most Americans cook at home multiple times a week, especially families and couples. Yes, fast food is a big part of the culture, but so is home cooking. Cooking is not dead in America, it's evolving. From YouTube recipe channels to TikTok cooking hacks, now it's your turn. Did this surprise you? What do you think about American food habits? Comment below and let us know. And if you loved busting this myth with us, hit that like button. Subscribe to Truesnap for more powerful reality checks.